Click More, then click Near-End Commissioning. Before near-end commissioning, we should download the latest device file. Connect to the Wi-Fi of the device according to the tips. The initial password for the network is HYXI0607. Click Next. Fill in the device password. If the device is installed for the first time, a forced modification is required. Click Quick Settings. Choose your time zone. Click Save. Click Grid Code and correct it. Browse and check that the parameters are correct. Click Next. Please verify consistency with the actual connected device. Then click Next. Then you can click Cloud Platform Address to choose the correct server. Please select the communication mode you need. If you have selected a wireless Wi-Fi connection, filling the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Click Next. Recheck your grid code and the connection of the device, then click Done to complete the settings.